In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Nordstrom. Let's get started. First, go to Nordstrom.com. This will take you to the homepage. From there, sign into your account by clicking on the sign-in icon and entering your email and password. Once you're signed in, click on the profile icon and go to Purchases. Since I don't have a recent purchase, I can't show you the exact process, but I'll guide you through the steps. Find the purchase you want to cancel and click on it to view the details. Scroll down until you find the option to cancel order and click on it to start the cancellation request process. After successfully submitting your cancellation request, the refund process will begin. It typically takes 3 to 5 business days for the refund to be applied to your credit card. However, the exact time may vary depending on your financial institution. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.